The following segment on Eyewitness News is sponsored by Living Well.
And welcome to today's edition of Ask the Expert. I'm your host, Shay Paul, and today I have Dr. Jared Chapman of Living Well joining us. Dr. Chapman, it is great to see you.
It's so good to see you, Shay.
I'm liking your spring green there. Trying to
I know we
trying
have
to trying to get
trying
us
to
to
get through
spring
the
early.
winter. Yes, for
That's
sure.
right. That's right. So today we're going to talk about a procedure that you do there, Matrix, correct?
Mhm. Yes, it's microneedling with radio frequency, and we use the system Matrix from Candela. uh, Amazing treatment because what you're doing is you're stimulating the tissue to make more collagen and elastin by
Mm-hmm.
sending energy through the small little tiny needles. This goes about 4 to 6 millimeters in depth, so you're really hitting that dermis, which is our target area. And then, as you're coming out, you can also set it to hit the epidermal layer, so if there's hyperpigmentation in the epidermis, it will also treat that as well as the fine lines and wrinkles on the surface. It's a phenomenal procedure because it has little downtime with it. We're talking about a pink glow after the procedure is finished, and then probably within 5 to 8 hours, the pink has faded, and you're just left with normal skin. And over the next few days, you see this stimulation and tightening that then continues. And then as you stack these treatments, you really see an amazing result in the tissue. Anyone who's out there searching for what they can do to tighten fine lines and wrinkles, they will find microneedling, and microneedling with radio frequency being one of the hot topics right now, that everyone is actually seeking to do this. So, if someone's not interested in doing filler, this is an alternative that stimulates your own collagen and elastin, and brings that back and makes the skin look absolutely beautiful. We do it in combination with fillers. We do it in combination with Sculptra. So it's a great, great treatment. We also, though, have a little bit of a Superman type product called Araness, which is a growth factor that you can actually apply to the skin after the treatment.
Oh,
And
okay.
this is like putting microneedling with radio frequency on speed. I mean, it is so amazing what it does for the tissue, how it regenerates, this beautiful glow to the tissue, really cuts down on any downtime you might have with it, takes the literally before the patient leaves the office, the pink is fading. So if they
Oh,
needed to go back
wow.
to work, this is a way to get around that 5 to 8 hour window. But it's also just does a beautiful job on the tissue. So by providing that growth factor through those micropores that we have made in the tissue, it really gets into that dermis and really does its job of super stimulating the collagen and elastin. So, for a patient who's more severely wrinkled, this is definitely something that would take the procedure to the next level, and produce the results that most patients are looking for from this treatment. It's one of our favorite treatments. It's very consistent, so and it's safe for all skin types. And that's one thing when you're looking at laser treatments and you're looking at heat treatments for the tissue, you want to make sure that the laser or that the treatment is appropriate for your skin type, meaning skin type 1 through skin type 6. It's called a Fitzpatrick scale. It's how we measure the light to darkness of the tissue. And we want to make sure that we're using the appropriate devices on the appropriate skin types. The great thing about Matrix, microneedling, and radio frequency is that it is safe for all skin types, from the lightest to the darkest.
Yeah, and a lot of people, I know at one time the micro needling at home with the roller was a big thing, and
Yeah.
you don't hear as much about that anymore. And I would venture to say that maybe, leave it to the professionals, right? You could probably really damage your skin that way.
Damage your skin. It's a nidus for infection. It's not going to do much really because it's not going to go deep enough to get what you need. That is more of a surface treatment. And if someone's out there who's very astute and cleans the device very well
Hmm.
and thinks their skin looks better using that, I'm not knocking it. I'm
Go
just
for
saying,
it.
in the general population, I don't recommend this because it's something that could lead to bad side effects. So again, it's a very safe procedure. Microneedling with radiofrequency is very safe. I love the Matrix device because we can set it to different depths and different temperatures at each depth, or different energies at each depth. So you can stimulate multi-layer with one treatment, and it's quite
Right.
tolerable. So
Right. Well, good to know, Dr. Chapman. Thank you so much for sharing the information with us.
thank you for having me, Shay.